Go to your App Store and download the latest MasterPass app. Open the app and select Proceed or Allow in order for permission to be granted. Authorize your device by entering your cell phone number. An SMS with a unique code will be sent to your phone for registration purposes. Select Yes to load your debit or credit card and follow the prompts. You will be asked to enter your full card number, CVV number, and expiry date. To process a transaction, open the MasterPass app and scan the QR code on the decal. You may be asked to enter an amount. If not, confirm that the amount scanned from the QR code is correct. You will either be asked to enter your card PIN or you will receive a one-time PIN. Once entered, you will receive an approved notification as your receipt for the transaction.